I've got soy sauce, black beans, fermented Pearl River Bridge black beans, garlic, cornstarch, chicken broth, and oil. And what I'm going to make, as you ascertained from the title, is black bean sauce. And it's easy, it's economical, and it's way better than that mess you get down there at the market, if you can find it. Alright, so the first thing we got to do is get 2 tablespoons of these black beans. 2 tablespoons. Maybe a little more. There you go, that 2 tablespoons. Now, you need 1 tablespoon of oil. Alright, let's set up this dude. So, one tablespoon of vegetable oil and 2 tablespoons of black beans, and we're going to put in a tablespoon of garlic. These beans come from Asia. They're fermented soybeans is what they are. Half a cup of chicken broth. So we got a cornstarch and water. I'm going to add 1 tablespoon of soya sauce, Golden Mountain. Alright, we're going to add in our cornstarch. There is your black bean sauce.